How to replace the right fan. Before you begin, remove the service door, battery, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, wireless WAN module, and base enclosure. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless LAN and wireless WAN antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the plastic shielding that covers the wireless LAN connectors. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the system board by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the wireless LAN and wireless WAN antenna cables from the routing channel on the right fan. Disconnect the right fan cable from the connector on the system board. Loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right fan to the system board. Lift the front edge of the right fan and slide it out from under the heatsink. Remove the right fan. Reverse this procedure to install the right fan.